Hello, my love. You guys, we're going to do a little demo today on Miss Desi with our Russian dual forms and arch ballerina. This one's going to be a full tutorial, a long video for the girls. So you're going to make sure that your Russian dual form is sized all the way through. And we're going to use clear liquid polygel. If you have not tried liquid polygel, you're missing out. You want to make sure that nail fits side to side, like Ariana Grande says. If you're in between sizes, go with the bigger size, okay? Because think of it, if you go with the smaller size, it's going to be like you're wearing a muffin top. It's not cute and it's not going to grow out well. So after the nail is thoroughly etched, we're going to go in, scrub that nail plate with nail prep, a little bit of primer. You know, our primer is non-acid. One side sticks to the nail and the other side sticks to the keratin. So one side sticks to the keratin of the natural nail, the other side sticks to the polymerized product. And for base, we're going to use the brand new Hardy Gel in Fruity Pink. We're going to do a little coat, very thin, and scrub it in to make sure she doesn't go anywhere. And you're going to have zero lifting. If you have never tried Hardy Gel, you're missing out. It's an 8-in-1 product. Fabulous. Go ahead and bake that, my love. We're going to bake that for 1 minute inside the king lamp. And while that's baking, we're going to begin building out the design on the inside of the nail. So that way, when we pop it off, it's ready to go. So we're going to use clear liquid poly gel. And we're going to do a very thin layer first. And it's going to give us our base. So I like to focus my first layer right here on the stress point. Apply that gel nice and even all the way through, just like that. Beautiful. Take your Pro Flashy lamp. We're going to freeze that base. So that way we can do our design. So that way when I do my design and I file the nail, or if I have to buff the top surface of it, I won't file into the color. So we're going to use 3 colors. We're going to use BB Ombre number 93. Beautiful fuchsia pink. Very cool toned as well too. Hard to find a good fuchsia pink that's cool toned. And then we're going to use ballerina gel number 64, which is this beautiful Tiffany's blue color moment. Little dab on the inside. Oh, she's going to be ready for Magic City with these nails when we're done. Get that real money out in Magic City. And then some turbo white with Yummylicious. And there we go. And now we're going to take a liner brush. I'm going to use from the Vegan 4-pack. I'm going to use a lavender one. We're going to swirl the colors on the inside of the Russian dual form. Look at that. Cotton candy accord. Beautiful. And the cool thing is the design is built on the inside, so you don't have to worry about it going anywhere. And the secret about doing Russian dual forms is that take your time. It might seem like it's a long time or a laborious process, but honestly, it's really fast. You can do a full set with designs like this in under an hour. I'm going to go in with one more layer of liquid poly and clear. And right at the stress point, I'm going to begin to build up my thickness. So that way I have a really strong apex. So it's like you're building the nail from the inside out. Freeze it. Because you don't have to worry about polymerizing anything until you do your final layer. And now we're going to get our nail. See, perfect. So now we're going to apply clear poly once more on the inside at the contact area, just like that. Nice and thin at the cuticle area. Remember, you can always go back and add more. It's better to add more than to add too much, because if you add too much, the gel's going to go, and we don't want that. She doesn't have to have diarrhea. We want it nice and smooth. Press down firmly. You're going to see that gel run. Take your flashy lamp and freeze. Fast and easy. Turn the hand upside down. That way. There we go. Add a little bit more. Make sure there's no gap. Build out that strength, that stress point. Perfect. And we're going to polymerize that for 1 whole minute inside the king lamp, and we'll be right back. So after the nail is done polymerizing, we're going to go in with our Mr. Pinchy. Pop it off. This is everybody's favorite part. Ready? Beautiful. Look at that. Zero surface filing. We only have to file the sidewalls, slightly blend in the cuticle, and then top coat. So let's go ahead and do that. Take a thin file. We're going to use Fantastic File. Make sure that side is nice and straight. Nice and straight. Shape up that free edge. Blend out that cuticle. To blend out the cuticle, let's go in with the, we don't need something harsh. We need something just very soft and gentle. So let's go in with, oh, here she is, my verse bit. And I have it set at 22,000 RPM. Really gently around the cuticle area. Make sure there's no product stuck to the dermis. Look at that, beautiful. Remove the dust. And now we're gonna add a little bit of top coat. So to add to the nail, instead of taking away, we're gonna use one of our glitter top coats. We're gonna use Shiny Star, and this is Moon. This is a top coat with a very fine silver foil. I'm gonna do a little coat over the whole nail surface. See how that dresses it up really beautifully? Just adds a little something. And let's bake that for 1 minute. Next, we're gonna seal with the Iron Man of gel top coats. Queen Hard Gel Top Coat. It is virtually indestructible. It is a hard gel top coat. So what does that mean? Your nails will never peel, chip, stain, smudge, go anywhere, and your nails will feel rock hard because this gel does not soak off. So we're gonna go in with a nice rich coat over the entire nail. Give it that incredible diamond-like shine and polymerize it for 1 whole minute. Beautiful. After the hand comes out of the lamp, we wait 10 seconds, and then we're going to hit it with the famous cotton candy cuticle oil. And there you have it, my loves. Look at that. Beautiful, fast, easy, stunning nails with vegan, hypoallergenic, chemo-free nail products. Proudly made here in America. So what are you waiting for, my love? Visit enocouture.com and check out our brand new liquid poly gels and Russian dual forms. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Au revoir.